How to make money with YouTube Shorts without making videos. Hey guys, what's up? I'm your host Jason, and today I'll be showing you how to make money on YouTube Shorts without recording a video, without using your voice, or without showing your face. I will be showing you step by step how you can simply copy and paste and start making money on YouTube Shorts. As you can see right here, I'm currently on YouTube. And I typed in funny dogs, as the example that I'm about to use in this video will be based around the pet niche, and I'll be using dogs. So I've typed in funny dogs as my search, and I'll simply find a video that I think is intriguing. For example, this one right here looks like a good one. Once you have selected the video, you will simply tap on the video, and after you have watched it and you can see that there are a few interesting clips in it that you would like to use, you will simply tap on share right here. After you have done that, you will copy the link. Once you have copied the link, you are going to go onto this website that I recommend, saveform.net, and you're going to paste the link right there, as this is a YouTube video downloader. And you're going to tap on download. After you have downloaded the video, you are going to go onto canva.com. And canva.com is the website that we're going to be using to create our shorts video. So once on Canva, you are going to tap on video. Then you are going to tap on TikTok video, as we want to use this same vertical dimension for the YouTube Shorts. So you'll tap on create blank, and it will lead to this page. Once on this page, you'll simply drag the video that you have downloaded, as you can see I have done right here. Then you will select a 10 or 15 second portion of the clip that you found intriguing, and as you can see right here, this is an example. You can see it right there. And on top of the video, you are going to put link in description. So you'll simply tap on text and do that, and then you're going to copy and paste it down by the bottom. And I'm going to be showing you how you are going to use this to make money. Once you have done all of this, which is completely straightforward, and I hope you know how to use Canva. If you don't, you can simply tell me in the comment section, and I will create a video on how to use Canva. After you have done this, you are going to go onto Redbubble.com. Redbubble.com is the website that we are going to be using to make money with our YouTube Shorts. Redbubble, as you can see right here, is a website that you can simply upload a picture, and you can either create stickers with your picture or design that you have uploaded, or you can put them on pillows, anything that you want. And with Redbubble, all you'll do is upload the design or the photograph, and they will put it on the shirt or pillowcase whatsoever. Once the person goes on your link and decides to order, Redbubble will deal with the processing and the delivery and everything like that, and you will get a percentage of it. So to simplify, a photo that you can upload to Redbubble to start making money, you can go onto pixels.com. Pixels.com is a royalty-free website, meaning you're completely free to use their photos wherever you want without getting any trouble. So I've typed in funny dogs, and as you can see here, there are numerous pictures that I could choose from. I like this one right here, so I could simply download this picture and then upload it to Redbubble, and that's it. Once you have uploaded it to Redbubble, you can select whether you would like it to be a sticker or you would like it to go as a pillow, as you can see right here, and you will get your link. Once you have gotten your link, you will paste it in your video description, so somebody will watch your video, your YouTube Shorts, and once they have watched your YouTube Shorts, obviously they are interested in that particular niche. For example, if they are watching dog videos, obviously they are interested in pets and in dogs in particular. So it would be no issue for them to tap on your link, and then by them tapping on your link, they will see your dog pillows or whatsoever that you are planning to sell, and they will tap on that link and go over to your page and more than likely support you. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.